And hang up your jacket and put your shoes away. They don't belong on the floor. Sorry, I called again. Mom stomped off, and I spied Lexi in the kitchen, smirking at me. I hated that Lexi smirk. I would knock it off her face all the way to Timbuktu, and everyone knows that's really far away. I'm not sure where it is exactly. Geography isn't my best subject, but I don't really have a best subject unless you count lunch. I'd earned my pet dog money, and I'd wipe away Lexi's snarky smile like they were specks of dirt and I was a bottle of hand sanitizer. Just you wait, I mumbled as I brushed past her. She giggled back. That night, I called Malcolm and told him about my problems. That's what friends are for, to help you think of money-making ideas and hear you complain about things. You have to consider the cost of production. It's simple economics, he said. Doesn't sound so simple to me, I stifled a yawn. I couldn't think of too many things more boring than economics. It is simple, he insisted. You have to figure out how much something costs and then sell it for more. So selling our silverware for 25 cents a fork, not a good idea? Probably not. After we hung up, I had plenty to think about. I grabbed a notebook from my desk and began filling it up with excellent ideas, each which would cost practically nothing. I could sell dirt. I could sell air. I could sell soap scum. Okay, maybe not all my ideas were genius level, but I kept writing new ones down. Eventually, I'd think of a perfect plan. I could sell dryer lint. I could sell the hopes and dreams of kids who just want a dog and not a dumb cat. I kept writing. That's the end of chapter 6. Tomorrow I will read chapter 7, which is Monday, March 5th, Money Saved, -$6.10. Bye.